Hey everybody, welcome to World Drum Club. I'm Kalani, your host and teacher. And in this video, we're looking at and listening to a hardwood music tongue drum. This is a beautiful drum that was made for me back in, I'm going to show you right now, 1995, March of 1995. So as of the making of this video, whoo, that's a whole adult ago. Because it's June 2018 right now. And this is Purple Heart and Wenge, African Wenge wood. And this tuning is called, God, can I read that? Something Ashanti. Something Ashanti. I'll try to decipher it and put it in the description. But it's beautiful. You can see the purple, obviously, Purple Heart, and then the sides are Wenge. Beautiful drum. And I'm going to explain more about this and how it's tuned on our Patreon site. But for now, I just wanted to share this with you, and hopefully you'll enjoy it. And also, I'm going to be putting these audio files on the Patreon site as well for patrons of the channel. So you can download these as MP3 files, and if you want to listen to it, well, anytime, but I was thinking maybe before you fall asleep at night to help you relax or something like that. But yay, you know, while you're doing the dishes or going for a walk or whatever, you know, music can help inspire you to do the things you want to do in life. So here's another short example. I'll put both of these as MP3 files for free downloads for our patrons as a perk, and thanks for tuning in to World Drum Club. As always, I've left a lot of links for you guys below, linking to my products and also other things that I recommend for you all. So feel free to leave your comments and feedback. Again, this is a hardwood music tongue drum made in Arizona, right over across the way. All right, enjoy this next piece. Thank you.